Hi, Azam here from ORBTRON. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the digital voice recorder that I just bought. Cost from less than 100 ringgit from this site. Okay, so I'll be doing an unboxing and also first impression of the voice recorder itself. So let's begin. Okay, let's do the unboxing now. So the image here is actually not the same as the one that you can see from the website. Okay, it shows here digital voice recorder. There's a notice here, please starting up the recorder before charging. Okay, stereo recording, recorded file in WMA MP3 format. It's an ion battery and such. Okay, you can read it yourself here. USB storage, write protection, one button recording, Durametrix LCD, supporting multi-language. Okay, the one that I bought is the 8GB version. Okay, some more of their features here, and that's about it. Okay, so here is the recorder, quite small size. Okay, let's see what I have here. Earphones. Oh, microphones. External one. That's good. Extra mic. USB to mini USB. Yeah, it's kind of rare. This one is for charging, I think. And what we have here. Not sure what it is for. The telephone adapter audio output. Not sure what it is for. I will look up in the manual and there you all know. Let's see what that is for. Okay, telephone recording, I see. So you can put this recorder in between the phone line there and use it as a recorder for the landline. So it's kind of cool to have that kind of function. Alright. All this stuff aside, we'll have a look at the recorder itself. Right? Very lightweight, all plastic made. That's the charging port. That's the mic, built-in mic, display, recording stop, pause, and the speaker. 8GB version on. That's the, you can see there, the mode, skip, on off power. So it says here, please starting up the recorder before charging. So you need to start this recorder first before you charge. So let's have a look. So the display here, there's an LED light below and it looks quite dim. So for some people it might have problem looking at it. Okay, So I think let's press record. It's the mode, music mode, setting mode. Quite straightforward. Let's record thing. I just start recording, I think. Yeah, you can see the time there. So just started recording. You press the record again, it pause. You press again, it start record back. Okay. That's all for today. For the unboxing and first impression, I will make a full review of this device in my next video. So click the thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to know more about this and other gadgets and tips. And thank you for watching.